currently staying at the Premier Inn Dorchester South Hotel. The Premier Inn Dorchester South Hotel is just a few steps away from the Dorchester South station, so it has a very convenient location. Surrounding the hotel are also shops and cafes, so really quite convenient because you can just grab a food downstairs if you want to, but I guess they do close at an earlier time, so maybe something you just need to check. And if you really want to grab some food, I think better to grab them early. So this is the room. It's very spacious, has a sofa over there, comfy bed, definitely. And we have a table over here, as well as a lamp. So for your office stuff, if you wanna, I don't know, maybe do some office stuff inside this hotel, you can definitely do that, or do some studying. Again, this is another view of the room. I have the window over there. Of course, on the window side, you have some elevated thing here. I don't really know what the purpose of that, but I guess it adds some uniqueness into this room. And there you go, you have a view of Dorchester South. I guess those are residential homes. And what do we have here for tea and coffee? So they do have electronic kettle, some mugs, and some teas and coffees over there for free. They also have hangers and a very well lit mirror over here, and some controllers over here as well, before I forget. So temperature controllers, and you have the hair dryer over there. So this is the bathroom. Loads and loads of mirrors over here. Mirror over there. There's also a mirror here. So let's have a closer look into this mirror. And that's the sink with some Bailey's and Harding soap, white tea, and Neroli with vitamin E luxury hand wash. So that's the soap for the hand wash, for the hand washing. And again, that's the mirror. Some towels. Again, another Bailey's and Harding luxury hair and body wash. And that's the shower. So again, back to the room. So really spacious room over here. Yeah, that's a tour of the room. It doesn't have a fridge though, so if a fridge is important for you, well, they don't have it here. I guess if you want to buy food, try to buy food that doesn't need to be stored in the fridge. There are a lot of cafes downstairs anyway, so you could maybe make use of the cafes and restaurants around the area. And there you have it. That's my room here at the Premier Inn Dorchester South Hotel. That's a room tour, so you could see what the amenities are, how the room looks like, and if you want to book for this room, at least you have an idea what you're booking for. Thank you very much for watching.